good. That was really weird. It didn't really want to start for me for a second. Now I'm up and running, almost to her job, and I guess we're gonna go and roll the dice. There's no point in going all the way back now. I'll be late. So hopefully, when I turn this bike off, she turns back on. At least get us home, girl. Come on, what's going on?